Hi, I'm Nisha. I'm the owner and creator of our soap company, and today we're making a soap that I'm adding to my spring collection. I'm gonna talk more about it a little bit later, but I know in my last video I said that I was gonna try to upload a video next week and I wasn't gonna stay gone for a week or two like normal, and I didn't because it's been almost a month and I'm back, but life just been lifing lately. I truly did not mean to be gone damn near a month, but I had just so much stuff happening in the background or just behind the scenes that just really halted a lot of what I was doing. Well, not even halted, it just shifted my focus more towards the business stuff and less on videos, but I am happy to be back and doing videos. And I'm not gonna lie to you, managing the business and keeping up with the YouTube channel is honestly a lot. So if I don't do everything on schedule, please be patient with me. I will get everything done. It's just not at a pace that I'm happy with at the moment because I would ideally like to have videos up every week, but it just has not worked out this way. And this video was actually edited almost 2 weeks ago, but I had an issue where my computer basically had a complete system failure, which I lost the entire computer. Like everything on the computer is gone. I can't even open the computer. It keeps giving me a system code error that I don't, whatever. But basically the whole computer died. So this whole video was recorded, edited. The last thing I had to do was just do a voiceover right quick and I lost all of it. So I actually redid this and now I'm doing the voiceover. I've also been working on getting a wholesale order done. I am having my soaps in a local grocery store here in Oxford. It's called Chicory Market, so my soaps will be there as well. But that's also part of what I've been working on, and since my computer died, I can't work on that just anywhere now, which is really inconvenient. Well, having a laptop, I said computer, it's a laptop. Having a laptop in general was so convenient for me because I was able to work on my stuff wherever I went to, and now I can't do that anymore, which is really unfortunate. So if I have to work on this stuff, I'm gonna have to be sitting at my house and doing it. And that's like the first laptop I got actually ever. That was my first laptop. It was just a hand-me-down laptop, so I can't just go to the manufacturer and get like, hey, can I get a replacement, or hey guys, can you fix it? No, I just have to buy a new laptop, which is really unfortunate, and I honestly don't know if I'm gonna buy a new one right now because I don't really want to add that or just incorporate that into my budget. So I may or may not buy a new laptop, but I'm gonna start rambling because I have a lot to say, but I do want to actually talk about the soap when this video is over. And then on top of that, my fucking dog keeps getting sick. He had a severe UTI. It was to the point where he was about to have he had crystals in his urine that were going to develop into kidney stones. And he's been on medicine for like a month. And the kidney stone part cleared up, but he still had some bacteria in his urine. So he is on different medication now and has been like that for a month. And it's so expensive. And I don't have pet insurance. I recently got pet insurance, but that's after I already spent like $600 on just trying to get him better because he rarely gets sick. He's an old dog. He's 11 years old, but he rarely gets sick. So I've just been shoveling money that I honestly did not have into just making sure he gets better. And he's chilling now. He's never been in any type of pain. He's always just acted completely normal. I didn't even notice he was sick until out the blue. I'm actually not going to describe that. Out the blue, I found one of his symptoms. I'm just going to say that I found one of his symptoms and I took him to the vet. And it's been like a month that he's been sick. And I think he's getting better. So overall, it's fine. I have pet insurance now. I'm going to shovel more money into getting him fully healthy again. Yeah, it's just been a lot. But this soap fragrance name is Honeysuckle, but I don't really think it smells like a honeysuckle. I think it's just a really florally scent. And I do like this scent, but I'm not really a floral type person. So this is personally not for me, but there's plenty of people out here that like floral scents. So I'm sure if you like floral scents, you're going to love this one. It's kind of hard to say because I do pick up a little bit of honeysuckle every now and then, but for the most part, it just smells really floral to me. But I did base this design off of honeysuckle. I'm starting a picture up top where you can actually see what I'm trying to do. But there is like a white, a yellow, and a pinkish, magenta pink, which you've pretty much already seen because I've been talking. But the design idea for this soap was to be a majority white soap, then the accent of the pink and the yellow to look like the honeysuckle, and then I was going to take my hanger swirl tool and make light cutesy, wispy swirls throughout the bar, so it's going to be really pretty, really elegant bar. And then on top, I was going to add biodegradable glitter to add a little bit of magic to it, I guess that's what I'm describing it, add a little bit of magic and whimsiness to it to keep up with just the spring theme. I want to be really light and happy. And I do have one more soap that's going to be added to the spring collection after this that I have to make. And I ideally want to release these at the same time, and I still might, but this is honestly ready already, and I haven't even made the other one, so yeah, I think if it becomes too late, I might release them separately, but ideally I do want to release the last two at the same time, so my goal is to try to wait and release them together, because I already released the strawberry champagne, which is going to be part of the spring collection as well, but yeah, the last two are probably just going to be released together. Also, I forgot to mention I have a giveaway going on right now on my Instagram page. And if you go to my Instagram page, you can see the giveaway. It ends on the 26th? 25th? No, it ends on the 24th. Then I'm announcing the winner on the 26th. So you can go to my Instagram page. It's Otter Soap Company and join the giveaway. I'm going to give away 3 bars of soap and a body butter. So there's plenty of opportunity to win. I'm going to pick the winner on the 26th of this month. So go to my Instagram and join the giveaway. And you can just get a better idea of the rules for the giveaway if you go to my Instagram. And also, this is for the US only, but I will ship it to you also free as well. And yeah, join the giveaway. And I've been talking this whole time, I know, but now I'm just swirling the top to make it a little bit more whimsical and pretty and swirly at the top. And then after that, I'm going to show you what it looks like when I bring you down. But here's how it looks so far. I think it's so pretty. I love the way it turned out. It pretty much turned out exactly how I envisioned just for this portion. I think it's really pretty and I hope you guys like it. And we're gonna come back in 18 to 24 hours for the cut and we'll get to see the inside and all the pretty swirls. I love using the hanger swirl tool, but we're gonna get to see the inside and how everything looks from there. Starting with the outside, there isn't much to see. I still think it's pretty, but it's mostly just white, and I'm super excited to cut the inside. But again, the other side just plain white, but it's pretty. Everything's pretty. But the top is so pretty. I love the way it shimmers when I turn it and how it just shimmers with the light as well. I think it's so pretty. It's so elegant. And I love it so much. And also, there's a surprise on the next cut, whatever you want to call it, scene. I bought a multi-bar soap cutter. And y'all, it's so cute. I love it so much. It makes things so much more convenient and faster. This is my first time using it, and it took me forever to get the position right. But in general, it just makes cutting so much faster and so much more satisfying, honestly. I do enjoy using single bar cutter and looking at everyone individually, but this is just so much faster and it just makes more sense for production, especially when I work with slab molds. And I was going to show you the bars right here, but I realized that I cut these bars down again so they're more uniform size, and some of the design will be cut off, so it wouldn't be the true form of what you're actually going to look at the bar. If that makes sense. I'm sorry, that might not make sense, but I cut these down again, so they're just a little bit smaller than what you just seen over there. But here's how everything turned out. I think it's all so pretty. Everything literally turned out exactly how I wanted it to. And of course, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and forgive me for sporadically posting, but still subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow all my social medias. That's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, especially Instagram if you're going to join the giveaway. And check out the website. It's www.ottersoapcompany.shop. Order you some soap. This will be available very soon with the entire spring collection. The strawberry champagne soap is part of the spring collection. It's already released. People already love that one. So go buy that one. Try it for yourself. I love the smell as well. It's definitely one of the ones that grew on me a little bit more later. Because I know in the video I was like, it's kind of similar to pink mimosa, and I don't know if I would use it, but it's definitely growing on me, and I like that a lot. And a lot of you guys have liked that smell as well. And I'm so happy with just the growth I've been doing lately. YouTube is getting closer to 1,000 followers. The Instagram account is at 600. Just everything is doing really well. I'm really excited about everything I've been doing lately. I'm excited to be part of this community. I'm happy you guys are here. Thank you for joining me. But I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out because I know I've talked your ear off this entire time. But I missed you guys. I'm so happy to be back. But yeah, check out the website again. It's www. Sorry, it's www.ottersoapcompany.shop. Check out the website, buy some soap, buy some body butter. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!